Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus ES350 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Next, you'll need to gain access to the bulb. This often involves removing a few plastic covers or air ducts that might be in the way. Once clear, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Usually, you just press a tab and pull. Finally, unclip the retaining spring or twist the bulb housing to free the old bulb. Now for the replacement. Carefully pull out the old bulb, being very careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its life. Insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated perfectly in the housing. Then, reattach the retaining clip or twist the housing back into place to secure the new bulb firmly. Finally, it's time to wrap things up. Reinstall any covers or air ducts you removed earlier, ensuring everything is back in its original position. Double-check all connections and then securely close your vehicle's hood. The last step is to turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Lexus ES350 headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.